There is something scientists discovered about the human body that most people will never hear about. It has nothing to do with diet or exercise. It has everything to do with who you already are at a level so deep, most people spend their entire lives never knowing it exists. You carry inside you a biological record, not a metaphor, a literal archive. Every challenge your ancestors survived, every famine they endured, every danger they escaped, left a trace. And that trace is still running inside you right now, quietly shaping the way you think, the way you feel, and the way you respond to the world. For centuries, scientists believed that the genes you were born with were fixed, unchangeable. But researchers discovered a layer of information sitting on top of your DNA called the epigenome. Think of your DNA as the hardware of a computer and the epigenome as the software. The hardware stays the same, but the software can be updated, rewritten, and passed down across generations. Studies on communities that survived historical periods of extreme hardship showed something remarkable. The grandchildren of people who went through trauma responded to stress differently, not because of choice, but because their biology had been quietly updated by a history they never personally lived through. What your ancestors endured left marks that were inherited by you. When you find yourself anxious in a situation that seems perfectly safe, your body may not be reacting to the present moment at all. It may be running an old program, one written long before you were born. This is not weakness, this is inheritance. There is a significant difference between the two. But inheritance does not mean destiny. The same research that revealed how hardship gets passed down also revealed that resilience travels the exact same pathway. Every person who survived something terrible so that your family line could continue was, in a sense, doing it for you. The fact that you are here means every single one of them made it. Long before modern science, almost every civilization on Earth developed rituals around remembrance and storytelling. For thousands of years, humans seem to intuitively know what scientists are only now confirming. We are not isolated individuals navigating life alone. We are the living forward edge of something much longer and deeper than one lifetime. Researchers studying people who survive great difficulty consistently find something unexpected on the other side. Not just recovery, but transformation. A sharper sense of purpose, deeper relationships, a clearer understanding of what actually matters. The human system is not built merely to endure. It is built to integrate, to find meaning, and to use that meaning as a foundation for what comes next. The version of yourself you are still working to become is not some distant ideal you have to build from scratch. It is something you are already uncovering. Because the epigenome does not only inherit from the past, it responds to the present. The way you live, the meaning you choose to find, the relationships you invest in, these are entries into an ongoing archive that does not end with you. Somewhere far in the future, people will exist because of choices being made right now. You did not choose the beginning of your story, but the middle, the long and complicated and sometimes painful middle you are standing in right now. That part is yours. And the most important discoveries about who you are do not come from looking ahead at who you want to be. They come from finally understanding the depth of what you are already carrying.